Modern women are not fragile by nature. They are made fragile by what is missing. Not calories, not motivation, plants. Diet culture teaches restriction, less food, fewer carbohydrates, smaller portions, but it rarely asks what was removed. When plants disappear from the plate, systems begin to fail, quietly. Women's bodies rely on stability, blood, hormones, nervous system, and those systems were never supported by restriction. They were supported by plants. Iron did not come from powders, it came from leafy greens, from legumes, from roots. When iron-supporting plants disappear, fatigue appears, brain fog, shortness of breath, anxiety without a clear reason. This is not weakness, this is biology. Hormones do not regulate themselves, they respond to nutrients. Fiber from plants slows absorption. Minerals from plants signal safety. Regular intake creates a rhythm. Diet culture breaks that rhythm by removing beans, by avoiding grains, by fearing roots. Hormones do not survive chaos. The nervous system is next. Magnesium does not come from discipline, it comes from plants, seeds, legumes, greens. When these disappear, stress feels louder, sleep becomes shallow, recovery stops working. Women are told to manage stress, but stress cannot be managed on depletion. Diet culture often removes the very plants that stabilize female biology. Beans are called too heavy, grains are labeled dangerous, roots are avoided. But these plants were never the problem, they were the foundation. Plants provide slow energy, not spikes, not crashes, consistency. This is what female physiology responds to, not extremes, not restriction cycles, stability. Modern food culture focuses on control, but plants do something else. They support systems without forcing them. Fiber feeds the gut regulates hormones. Hormones regulate everything else. Remove the plants and the chain breaks. This is why many women feel exhausted even when they eat clean. Clean is not the same as complete. Without plants, food loses its function. This is not an argument against eating less. It is a reminder of eating enough of the right things. Plants are not decoration, they are regulation. Women working under pressure do not need lighter diets, they need deeper nutrition, more minerals, more fiber, more plant diversity, not trends, support. Diet culture made plants optional, biology never did. This series is not about dieting, it is about the plants that quietly keep systems running when life demands too much. Plants that matter are not fashionable, they are functional, and for women under pressure, they are not optional. Plants that matter. Food that supports function, not restriction.